Canada's Foreign Minister Chrystia Freeland is holding a press conference on the extradition proceedings of Huawei CFO, who is wanted in the U.S. on fraud charges. She just said that a second Canadian citizen may be under detention by the Chinese authorities. She said that a Canadian who got in touch with them because he was being questioned by the Chinese has not been able to be contacted since. She also confirmed the detention of a former Canadian diplomat and said they have raised the case directly with Chinese officials, so identifying potentially a second Canadian. Remember that China threatened grave consequences if Huawei CFO was not released from Canadian custody. Meng Wanzhou was in fact released on bail in Vancouver yesterday, but Canada remains in the middle of this case that is really about the U.S. and China. Brian?
Wow, big story there. Deirdre Bosa in San Francisco, thank you very much. Tim, you're the emerging markets guy. I mean, this is heating up now. You take one, we take two.
China's a chess player. They're not someone that's actually getting there in the volleyball spiking down after that headline news. I think China has a lot of levers to pull, and I think China is offended by this. There's no question. But get back to the places where some people say this is separate from trade policy. The reality is it probably could be in the short run. The bigger issues are non-trade related anyway. They're structural issues. They're issues that go right at how China.
Is it another reason to stay away from Chinese stocks, which have already been just hammered this year?
No, not right here now. And I would argue it's easier to say now after a 30% drawdown in emerging markets. But I think you've started to see EM as an asset class start to outperform a bit. I still think there's a lot of value in the mega cap Chinese tech names.